welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making elderberry syrup. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification button to be notified when I upload videos. Here I'm just taking ginger. I use about maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, and I just kind of take the skin off, and this is up to your discretion how much ginger you like in your elderberry syrup. Some people choose to grate their ginger with the skin on. I'm just really meticulous, so I like to get everything off of it before I grate it. Here I just take a small glass cup or container and a small grater and just grate away. So I turn on the stove and get about 2 cups of water boiling. You want to pour about a 1/2 cup of elderberries and just pour it in the water. Then you want to get about 5 cloves. I get mine from Mountain Road Herbs. They're pretty potent, so be cognizant of that. You don't want to use too much because it can get too strong. So sometimes I use maybe 5 or 6 cloves and just put it into the pot. Then I just add the ginger that I grated earlier. Just dump it all in. Here I just use regular cinnamon that I get from Costco. I was going to use my cinnamon stick earlier, but I changed my mind at the last minute. So I let the elderberry boil for about 2 minutes, and then I turn it on low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. So after about 30 minutes, I turn the stove completely off and I let the elderberries sit in the pot for about an hour. The longer it sits in there, the more potent it becomes. By this time, the elderberries have cooled down, so I just strain them using the strainer. Then I get a spoon and kind of smush them around and tussle the berries so that I can extract everything out of them. And I do this maybe for about 3 to 5 minutes because you get quite a bit, as you can see. Once you think you don't have any more, and then you tussle them around, quite a bit still comes out. So I just get my honey from Mom's Organic grocery store, and I use about a 1/2 cup of honey when mixing it with the elderberry. I just get a small mason jar, pour the elderberry in, and once I pour the elderberry in, I mix the honey, and that's it. Sometimes I like to stir the honey in with the elderberry because it settles at the bottom. And then once I put the lid on, I just give it a little shake, and that's it. It sits in the refrigerator for about a good 2 weeks. Guys, I hope you like this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.